In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install games from GitHub. If you're new to GitHub or just looking to expand your gaming collection with some fascinating projects, you've come to the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with clarity and precision, making it easy for you to get started on your gaming adventure. First and foremost, you'll need to clone or download the repository of the game you wish to install. GitHub is a vast library of open source projects and games, so you can often find intriguing options by searching through repositories. Once you've found a game that catches your eye, it's time to get into the specifics. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the command git clone followed by the URL of the repository. For example, git clone https://github.com username game.git. Replace username with the actual username of the repository owner and game with the game's repository name. This command will create a local copy of the game on your computer, making it accessible for you to interact with and modify if needed. After successfully cloning the repository, the next step is to navigate into the game's directory. You can do this by typing cd game into your terminal or command prompt. This command changes your current directory to the one where your game's files are located. It's a crucial step as you'll need to work within this directory to proceed with the game's installation process. Once you're inside the game's directory, it's essential to know that every project on GitHub is unique and may come with its own set of instructions. The README file, often found within the repository, is your go-to guide for specific installation or setup details. Take a moment to review this file thoroughly to ensure you understand any unique steps the game might require. For many games developed in Python, a common requirement is to install dependencies. Dependencies are additional software components that the game needs to run properly. To manage this, you'll usually find a requirements.txt file in the game directory. This file lists all the necessary packages. To install them, simply type pip-install.rrequirements.txt into your terminal. This command will automatically download and install all listed dependencies, setting the stage for smooth gameplay. Finally, you're ready to launch the game. In most Python-based games, you'll do this by running the main script. Typically, this file is named main.py. To launch the game, enter Python main.py into your terminal. And just like that, the game should start up, allowing you to dive into the world created by the developers. With these steps, you're now equipped to explore the vast array of games available on GitHub. Remember, practicing these steps with different games will enhance your skills, making you more comfortable with open source projects. Enjoy discovering new adventures and happy gaming.